In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Skrill as payment method to Shopify store. If you want to offer your customers an additional way to pay, adding payment providers in Shopify is the right place to start. Today, we will walk through the process step by step at a pace that gives you time to follow along on your screen. First, click Settings. This is usually located on the left side of your Shopify admin panel, though the exact placement can vary slightly depending on your theme or admin layout. Clicking Settings opens the area where you manage important store preferences. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct admin view, since the Payments option is part of these site-level configurations. Next, click Payments. After you select Payments, you will see the payment settings for your store. This is where Shopify lists the payment methods you are currently using, and where you can add new providers. If you have already set up other payment options, you will notice them listed here, which helps you confirm you are in the correct section. Now, under Additional Payment Providers, click Add Provider. This area is specifically meant for adding payment methods beyond the standard options that Shopify may show by default. By choosing Add Provider, you will be able to search for Skrill and connect it to your store. Look for the label that says Additional Payment Providers, so you can be sure you are adding the provider in the right place. After that, search for Skrill. Shopify may show a search bar or a list of providers. Type Skrill into the search field and wait for the matching result to appear. When you see Skrill in the results, it means Shopify has recognized the correct provider, and you are ready to select it. This step is important because it ensures you are connecting the exact service you intend to offer to customers. Next, click Skrill. When you select it, Shopify will open the setup flow for Skrill. At this point, pay attention to any prompts or setup fields that appear. The goal is to complete the connection between Skrill and your Shopify store. You may be asked to confirm details or specify how payments should be handled, depending on your store configuration. Finally, complete the setup. Completing the setup typically means following the on-screen instructions until you reach a confirmation or enabled status. Make sure you review what Shopify requires before you submit anything, and confirm that Skrill is set to be active for your store after the process finishes. If you are given options, choose the ones that match how you want transactions to work for your customers. Once you have finished, take a quick look back at your payments page to confirm that Skrill appears as an available or active payment method. This small check helps ensure everything is connected properly. It also gives you peace of mind that customers will see Skrill as a payment option at checkout, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.